This tool is used for analysis of terrestrial, satellite, and cable TV digital signals, that is DVB-T, T2, C, C2, S, S2. The HD Ranger field strength meters are compatible with QPSK 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 1K and 4K QAM, besides 16 and 32 APSK constellations. Symbols are continually received by the demodulator and displayed on the screen in a specific pattern called constellation. Symbols are color-coded according to the power level with which they are received. High power level is coded with warm colors, such as yellow and red, while low power levels are coded with colder colors, such as blue and violet. Well-defined points in the constellation diagram imply a transmission link and reception system with low noise and interferences. Symbols appearing scattered around their ideal positions in the constellation convey a transmission link and reception system with a higher degree of noise and interferences. You can move along the frequency band here too, just by moving the joystick left and right. If we press F4, we will access to the constellation setup menu, where you can zoom in any of the 4 quadrants. You can set up the persistence, that is, the amount of time that the symbols will be displayed on the screen before disappearing, clear all the symbols on the screen, and change the type of grid used to represent the constellation.